Welcome back to Product Critique,
where today we dive into one of the best sunscreens on the market right now, the Nivea Sun Protect Super Water Gel SPF 50 PA+++. If you're in the market for reliable sun protection that feels light and refreshing on your skin, this might just be your perfect match. Let's kick things off with what makes this sunscreen stand out. The Nivea Super Water Gel is renowned for its SPF 50 protection and high PA+++ rating, offering robust defense against both UVA and UVB rays. This means you can enjoy your time outdoors with confidence, knowing your skin is shielded from harmful sun exposure. One of the standout features of this product is its unique water gel formula.
Unlike traditional sunscreens that can feel heavy or greasy,
this gel applies smoothly and absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving any sticky residue.
It's perfect for those who prefer a lightweight and non-clogging sunscreen experience.
Another reason why users love the Nivea Super Water Gel is its long-lasting effectiveness.
Whether you're out for a morning jog, lounging by the pool, or even under direct sunlight, its water-resistant formula ensures you stay protected for extended periods without needing constant reapplication. Beyond sun protection, this gel also boasts moisturizing properties, keeping your skin hydrated and supple throughout the day. It's formulated with ingredients that are gentle on the skin, making it suitable for all skin types, including sensitive skin. Now, let's talk user experience. Many users rave about how comfortable this sunscreen feels on the skin.
Its sheer texture makes it ideal for daily wear under makeup or alone, giving you that fresh-faced look while safeguarding your skin from sun damage.
Wrapping up, if you're looking for a sunscreen that ticks all the boxes: high SPF, PA+++, lightweight texture, and long-lasting protection, then the Nivea Sun Protect Super Water Gel SPF 50 PA+++ is definitely worth considering.
It's no wonder why it's one of the top choices for sun protection enthusiasts everywhere.
That's it for today's review on Product Critique.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful product reviews.
Drop your comments below if you've tried this sunscreen or have any questions.
Until next time, stay protected and enjoy the sun responsibly. Thanks for watching.